So, what do we call a heart for change? Let's define it. A heart for change is when I realize that my life is not going the way that I would have liked it to. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what denomination you are. It doesn't matter what ethnicity you are. This is for everyone. When you have a heart for change, that means I want to be in control of my destiny. I finally realized I can do all things through Him that made me. I don't have to continue living in what I call the briar patch. It's kind of like if you stepped in some hot tar. You tend to get stuck there. Some of you may know what I'm talking about. Others that don't, it's okay. A heart for change, honesty comes over me, and the only thing I desire to do is to be better. No more controlled by people, places, and things. Those things outside of my life that have caused me to make bad choices. Now also, taking on responsibility for the bad choices that I've made. Having a heart to turn my life around, be different, live different, honest, character, morals, without anything outside of me ever changing that again. And that I can do by inward change in me. Now, this is about self-talk, not self-thought. See, it's when I talk to myself from the inside, hear it through my ears from the outside. I have noticed that change begins to happen no matter what. The things that I used to do, no longer have to do. Places I used to go, guess what? I don't have to go there anymore. People I used to be with, if they're not about a heart for change, I don't have to be with anymore. It gives you a life opportunity. Reset your clock. Start all over again. You can be whoever you'd like to be. Once again, this is our Charles, and we invite every nationality to make a video about a heart for change. Send it in to We Are Family 2. Only takes 2 people to establish family. Doesn't have to be flesh and blood. Once again, we are this man's no cooking cookbook, writing recipes for life. Now, when I identify myself, I say this black man. You say who or what you are. Send in your video. If it's approved, we'll play it. Once again, this is our Charles. This black man's no cooking cookbook. This is a recipe that the whole world could write. I'll see you back in the men's room. We'll tell you how to get started. See you then.